But sir, this is not your period now. This is not your. We have another thing. We have another teacher now. Ebuka, I know. That's why I came. So you can't chase me away. Welcome once again to Gentle Mathematics tutorial, where the phobia for maths is being cut down, and we learn maths to the core. So in today's tutorial, we'll be looking at the multiplication of surd. We continue from the previous lesson we did, which was the addition and subtraction. In case you missed it, you can go back and review it after this lesson. Thank you. Okay, multiplication of surds, like our normal multiplication. Let's check example 1. Root 5 times root 10. There are two ways of solving this. You can solve it like root 5 times, you can split this, root 5 times 2. I want it to be a factor of this. Now we have root 5 times, if I split this, root 5 times root 2. Now, whenever you're multiplying surds, or the same surd, equal surd, these two are equal. Whenever you're multiplying them, you'll be left with that number there. So when you have root 6 times root 6, it gives us 6. Root 20 times root 20 gives us 20. The same way, root 5 times root 5 gives us 5. Times what? Root 2. Our final answer becomes 5 root 2. Another way of solving this, you can also have, you multiply this to 5 times 10. This is equal to square root of 50. And this can be 25 times 2. So this is square root of 25 is 5. And 2 doesn't have a perfect square root. So this is our answer. Must be the same, it must correspond. And what do we have next? This is square root of 8. You can split this to square root of 4 times 2 times square root of 2. Square root of 4 is what? Okay, let's split it first. So we have square root of 4 is 2 times, since they are the same, it gives us 2. This gave us this 2 here. So 2 times 2 becomes 4. Or we solve it this way, we multiply just straight. 8 times 2, 16. Square root of 16 is what? 4. We've gotten our answer. Now, the same answer. No matter the method you use, must arrive at the same answer. Now let's take a look at the question number C. We have square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 2. That's what this means. Whenever you have raised to power, you multiply the number of times. 1, 2, 3, which is this 3 here. So this is equal to, since they are equal, you multiply these 2, you have 2. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Then times this root 2 here. So this is giving us 2 root 2. Answer. So the next one, you can have square root of 30. If you split it, square root of 6 times 5 times root 5. So this is square root of 6 times square root of 5 times 5 times root 5. So these are similar, giving us 5 times square root of 6. This is 5 root 6. We solve it this way. 30 times 5 is 150. Still on square root. Yes, 25 can go. 25 times 6 is 150. Square root of 25 times square root of 6. And square root of 25 is 5 times this, have root 6. Notice that no matter the method we used, we must always arrive at the same answer. Do you still want me to go, or you have another class? Sir, we don't want you to go. Sir, stay. Sir, we don't want you to go. Sir, stay. All right, thank you for your patience, and thank you for watching Gentlemathematics Math Tutorial. See you next class. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Very important, please. Thank you.